Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Wulan Sulistia Arli from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about weight travel. Definition of weight travel. Attraction recruitment is the process of searching for and attracting prospective employees who are able to apply as employees. This process begins when applicants are sought and when their applications are submitted. The definition of recruitment according to Segian is the process of searching for, finding, and attracting applicants to be employed in an organization. Meanwhile, according to Hasibuan, weight travel is an effort to find and influence workers to want to apply for job vacancy in a company. It can be concluded that labor attraction recruitment is the process of obtaining a number of qualified labor candidates for main position or jobs within an organization or company. Weight travel is the first step in accepting someone into an institution or organization. Weight travel activity begins when candidates begin to be sought and, and when their applications are submitted. Purpose of weight travel. Weight travel activities are carried out by paying attention to applicable legal aspects in order to obtain the required amount of energy. The activity objective of attracting human resource consists of 1. Attract applicants who apply for job opportunities. These activities attract applicants who are likely to apply for job opportunities. The size and characteristics of the applicant fully meet the extent to which subsequent staffing activities achieve objective. 2. Influence whether applicants achieve the job offers they receive. Weight travel activities can influence whether applicants achieve the job offer they receive. And 3. As a means of exchanging information. Reasons for weight travel. There are several reasons that encourage an organization to withdraw human resources, namely A. Establishment of a new organization. B. There is an expansion of organizational activities. C. Creation of new jobs and activities. D. There are workers who move to other organizations. It is there are workers who quit either respectfully or not. If respect as a punitive action, G. There are workers who quit because they are entering retirement. E. H. A worker died. Withdrawal obstacles. The obstacles to attracting human resource consist of 1. Organizational policies promotion policy. To give current employees the first opportunity to fill vacancies so as to increase employee morale and participation as well as exists with employee mentioned activities. Compensation policy. The amount of compensation offered will influence job seekers' interest in becoming serious applicants. Employee status police, the status of honorary, seasonal of part-time employees and employees can cause companies to reject qualified employees who want full-time work status. Local employment police, withdraw priorities are usually intended to be more involved in society and establish good relations with the community around the company. 2. Higher plane. The higher plane is one of the factors that need to be considered in the withdrawal process by detailing skill inventory, training and development plans, promotion and outing which job will be filled internally and which will be filled through withdrawal. 3. Labor market conditions. It is a geographic area where the forces of supply, namely people who work, interact with the forces of demand, namely companies looking for labor, and this determines the price of labor. If supply in a certain geographic area is limited, withdrawal must be moved to other areas, so the cost will be more expensive and conversely, if the supply of qualified employees is relatively high in the local market, then labor prices will tend to be low. For external environment, conditions outside the company greatly influence, for example, change in the labor market, unemployment level, economic growth, labor laws, procurement of certain works. Despite these considerations, the economic environment can change rapidly after the plan is approved. 5. Position recruitment. Each position is one of the obstacles to attracting. For example, attracting skilled workers is certainly more difficult than unskilled workers. For this reason, the personnel department needs to study job recruitment from job analysis information and comment from managers. 6. Custom for carrying out withdrawal. As withdrawal success will shape those habits in this stage can eliminate time-consuming decisions. But it can also continue past mistake and feasibility more effective alternative and withdrawal techniques. Recruitment techniques both in the public and private sectors can be carried out on a central or decentralized basis, depending on the circumstance of the organization's need and the number of prospective work to be recruited. That's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to my video.
카메라 이런 거 하지.